All right, this is another episode of the culture coding with Codex. Um, so here I'm sharing my session. I'm using Codex to create this screen. This is a screen that gives me an option to interface, to interact actually with the NEP's web service function where I'm creating new articles. In these articles, they bring images in most of the cases. But this is the first iteration, and I didn't like because you see on the right hand side there is this button there, bot services. I wanted the buttons to come from the top to the bottom like a stack, and then the two panels here on this one yellow and this one on the left. I wanted those two panels to be a part of that first button there. Okay, and that's it. So the prompt that I gave supports that idea. So that I always have this right hand side sidebar with the main operations and the panels for editing on the left hand side. Let's see what we have here in terms of changes. Okay, right, it's slightly better right now. So I have, let's see if this works. Yeah, the right hand side, it's always there. When I tap new article, then I have the panels that I want there. Right? It's slightly better organization. Uh, Load template. Replace the current drafts. Oh, that's nice. That's really what I asked. Yes, beautiful. My templates are loaded there. I likely can drag images to the folder. This is very interesting. Let's see if dragging images is working. I need an image there. Okay, screenshots. Here's one. Where is it? There we are. If I drag here. Yes, good. Shows the size of the images. Now, I don't know what save inputs means. If I tap commit envelope, I didn't see it. Failed to build commit and run, but that's the good beginning. It's not a bad beginning. All right. Draft saved. Commit envelope, not yet. Okay. Review. What means draft saved? Draft saved status flash tell you that the current contents of the two text areas have been written back to the module session folder. Okay, I see. I see. I see. And and the processing of images runs in which situation? Because I probably need a pre-processing. Incoming zero because when you hit the refresh panes or any action, the endpoint returns sharp base breath, it clears, converts. When you refresh panes, oh I see. Oh yes. Refresh panes, reduce the images. Now commit envelope. Or writes new manifest and ultimately reloads the short of it. Yes. Now explain me the commit envelope creation and where the temp envelope lives, and also why you think we have the error failed to build commit when I tap commit envelope. Don't code yet. This don't code yet I think is very important. It's happening a lot. When you hit commit envelope, the client calls commit preview, the endpoint execute git commit envelope, which parses something to locate session handle, etc. Uh, builds a target server writes the instruction commit envelope uh, via commit envelope. So the UI can reload and inspect reuse eventually. Git commit toast comes from the client's fresh wrapper because server responded there were with commit envelope. Any of the specific queries missing season. Oh, I see. I see. I see. So there is a check going on before commit, as in commit envelope time. Indeed, I removed the B seasons. Yeah, season metadata not found. Exactly, in web creation is that the pre-flight check and the preview endpoints. I see. What if we don't check or not? I could probably leave the quality check. Please see you later, okay? All right, so that's something here to be considered. Because the point here is really preparation of data. So thinking some changes there already. Yes. Reload. New article. Refresh panes. Okay. Commit envelope. Created. Article handler. Article tier. System handler. Include images through chunks added one. Wow. That's amazing. That's exactly what I wanted from this session. Now, now, um, I think the run, if run means to apply, could happen. Could button could be placed inside the commit envelope pane, right? Because yes, commit envelope moves to the right yellow part, right? Reload this, refresh panes. Yeah, the run is here, right? Now, good. Now, in the architecture, organization of the envelope operations part with deals with the envelope proposal, put, put a button there on the left hand side at the end of run, which is indeed the check, which does a check of the checks which you had before. But see, now now this is organized. So I can tap before it fails, bring notes in line to that panel. For example, for now, a simple check if the season exists, season and index JSON and contents JSON. I think is contents JSON library at co-ops. not mistaken, content JSON, content JSON, content, content JSON, JSON. By the way, because we have this path mostly in the article ops, move to the top of the file, the file style. For now, basic checks. I said that already. As for the destination of articles, we check if the DB 600 articles exists. Right. I guess this is okay for now. It's a good session of coding with agents. All right. Well, there's an initial render going on. The manual is to allow the creation of these. Refresh commit panel UI. New check button sits left to the ground. Results rendering line. Style feedback and the JS API. Now sends the validation request shows success issues. Use check button before run to see. Most of the changes are self-contained to the project. That's good because that's one thing I check usually, right? New article, refresh page, things are there. Okay, commit envelope. Oh, I like the bouncing thing there, right? Uh, check missing issues found, missing metadata, missing file. That's very good. That's very, very good. Exactly what I wanted of this session. Now, so let's try to plug this with reality. So here I want to copy. What is this? Oh, created a deer. Hmm. DB sites, site and galley, DB. Okay, now I'm bringing the situation of a site here. Okay, right. Now refresh pane, commit envelope, check. Yes, checks passed. Now, there's one thing though, I was thinking removing images. I don't have that yet, right? So let me for now remove my image. Okay. And let's say I wanted to make an article. So DB articles, no, seasons. Indeed, I have a seasons called Evangelist Cast, right? With three articles there. Now, this Evangelist Cast season, right, is this ep- episode 50, lights, camera, action with codex and OpenAI. Episode 50, right? And the YouTube that I want is this, right? In this episode, we will reflect about coding with agents while I update my studio for recording the demo presentations. That's so far text here, commit envelope, save inputs actually, commit envelope, refresh, include images. Actually, I may reload, refresh panes. Yes, no images. Now, one thing I wanted to check is in terms of the alt images. Yes, no images. Good. Now, I want a photo there. Okay, I want a photo there, which I which is here. I cannot drag from there. Yes, but I have it here. Refresh panes. I got the image there. this save inputs. Yes. Now, one thing that is not happening, just wondering, right? Wondering, will the image chunk image chunk template apply with the file name of the images? And so, if so, when? So I wonder, because the image chunk templating should apply to the incoming image so that it produces an output. Yes, the model reads input image as chunk template during the envelope build when you tap commit envelope and run without supplying a cached envelope. If include me image zone or process variable, so we find it placing like that in the template and append those chunks to the article. Input MD. Should I be able to, where is that? Input MD. Wait, before I do that. But the envelope doesn't have, wait, wait, should I, can I see the proposal input MD with the multiple image chunks? As in, yeah, let's just ask that. Because right now I don't see. Also, we need some organization to incoming and out, because incoming is a space for dragging, out is a space for produced images. When you press commit envelope, the service writes preview envelope and the file's content, and it shows exactly how the input image template chunks are appended. For example, each past 5 minutes dropped into the image slot. So, is it? Oh wow, there are more things here. I see. Wow. Okay. Should I run? Check passive. No, first let me turn on the server. Let me turn on the server. I want to see the website. Mhm. port 6005, enter the evangelist OpenAI, go back here, run, request failed, thank God. I don't know, sometimes it's even better if it fails. Copy file, the multiple Weplex based DB, 600 articles, base, image, something, destination. Hmm. Not too bad, huh? System call. Understood. Now I got this when run. Just wondering, okay? As in don't code for me. Thank you, sure as I try to copy, but the file no longer exists. And the iPhone folder still have. Oh, I see. Maybe, yeah. Refresh panes. Anything will up. Check. Run. Whoa. Yeah. Wow. I see. Even two. No. The direct is here. Alright. Mhm. Remove the two of them. Seasons. Eventually cast. Mm, Generally, oops, generally it puts at the top, right? Remove. Mhm. And the counter. Oops. Counter. Already. That's, yeah, 4 inches. It counts 10 by 10. Okay. Now refresh page. Commit envelope. Check. Run. Mhm. I think that's okay. That's what I wanted so far. Where's the input undo? Yes. Good. Good. All good. So I'm gonna end this session because the next is for coming up with a new button on the right hand side and some polish things.